What up, folks? It's your guy, it's your boy, still recovering. What we're gonna do, just a simple protein shake this morning. Just gonna get right to it. And these guys outside my window beating like crazy. I guess they're replacing the siding on the side of the building here, but it is not conducive to my head game right now because I have a headache and my face is swollen. So we're gonna run this coffee smoothie. We're gonna run a creatine. Actually, I might run a different creatine today because the coffee that put me the creatine. See if I can run this creatine. This creatine has no flavor whatsoever, but it still does the same thing. And I am going to do peanut butter coffee protein. So basically, get it nice and chilled up in here. I'm also gonna throw a few more things in here as well. I have some greens left over, some kale and some celery, so I'm gonna run that in there as well too to go ahead and use it up before it goes bad. Of course, I'm gonna use my creatine here. This is 100% pure creatine, monohydrate. So, and peanut butter, extra crunchy. And we'll run this too. So let's go ahead and get this in here and get it with a scoop of protein. Go with I almost dropped that right there, buddy. Creatine. Maybe 2 scoops. 2 scoops. Right, go with peanut butter. Put it on the blade right there. Then we're gonna go with our greens. Those guys in there. Sorry for our energy's kind of low today, guys, but hey, the grind don't stop. Still got to get this energy, this nutrients in your body. Get that done, and then I'm gonna fill it with just straight water in there. Down. It's probably be a bit thicker, but it's all good. It's all good. Because I haven't really had an appetite. And this will serve me well. All right, let's go ahead and get it turned on. All right, let's go. Good to go. Looks great, but it smells. Like peanut butter and coffee. Let's get this off. Let's get the pour in it. Yes, sir. A bit more left. Okay. Let's taste it. It doesn't look like peanut butter and coffee protein, but let's see how it tastes. You gotta be careful, so I can only swallow on this side of my mouth. So let's see. Sorry, that's kind of nasty. It's not bad. It tastes like celery, kale, and coffee. This is exactly what it tastes like. Hey, check this out. That's what I've been doing without morning. They are beating on the walls and crap. Oh my goodness. Anyway, excuse me. I'm gonna drink this shake, this smoothie, just relax a little bit. I still work today, but I mean, I'm working from home and my job is not too intensive. So, but plus I got up mad early and just got it started. So the grind don't stop. So I pray you guys are doing well. Thank you for your well wishes. I really do appreciate that. It's getting better. Need to ice it a bit, so yeah. So I got another video covered for you guys. It's already filmed, it's already shot, so I got you a nice little video coming later today. And then I should be back into rotation, hopefully fully. maybe tomorrow or Friday. Either way, I'm gonna see you guys soon. I pray you guys are doing well. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Always praying for you. And whatever it is that you're trying to go achieve and pursue, start out small. Don't despise humble beginnings. Start out small and then work your way up. It's very important to get started and be consistent with it. So I hope I'm showing you guys an aura of consistency now than before. But God bless you, and I'll see you guys next video. So I'm right here. Look at that. All day long. I'm gonna see if he gonna peek through my window. I'm gonna catch him. Jeez. Anyway, guys. I just wanted to show you that. Craziness. I'll see y'all next video. Peace.